These pieces that I have in this box right here are probably the most proudest I have been of ever making pieces for my brand. Alright, so we got 3 hoodie samples. It's been a big sample day. So they're very simple. They're just some essential pieces. These blanks are cut and sewn in Portugal, and the quality on them is really nice. They're like a mid-weight blank. But I made this little pink with a white print rhinestone outline on this. And he actually sampled the back of these when I didn't need the back of these, because I'm not dropping these with back print. I'm only doing the front print, so the back print's pretty much just extra, even though I probably paid for it. But I'm gonna be giving these away. These are all a size large, and I also have a size medium. If you guys want these, follow my brand on Instagram, follow my Instagram, and I'm gonna be giving them away on my story. Just DM me and say YouTube to enter the giveaway on my main account. Make sure you're following my main and my brand. I will check. But we got this bubblegum pink colorway. Love this colorway so much. I've never dropped a red hoodie, so I don't know. Really like this colorway as well. Cool little just essentials piece. Like I said, these are all back printed. They're gonna be one of ones for the giveaway. But yeah, pretty much all the same. Cool. I really like how this turned out. It was supposed to originally be a lighter color of purple when I sampled it, but he ended up making it darker, and I think it makes it look even better. So yeah, same thing on this with the back print. And these are the only 6 hoodies that have been made with back print, the size mediums that I have sampled as well. These are size larges. Only 6 hoodies made with this back print, and I'm gonna be giving them away. So like I said, go enter the giveaway. I'm gonna show you guys a quick on body of these real quick, because the on body is really nice in my opinion. So I'll just show the purple on body for reference, the dark purple, but this one fits the same as all the other ones. So as you can see, it's just a nice little boxy fit, baggy sleeves, and then a big hood on this as well. I think these blanks are awesome. They're not heavy, they're not light, they're like the perfect in between. And I'll probably sell these for $60, maybe $65, but you already know I always got the gas prices. And I'm actually gonna show you guys how I made these on Photoshop. So let's go to my computer. We have a lot of orders to take to the post office. Probably around like 300 and counting, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me. And I don't know if you guys are in Cali, but this rain is fucking crazy. Was a mission. So we have 1 up front, 3 in the back, and 2 in the trunk. These are all going out. Hopefully we have some happy customers. I hope so. Alright, that's all for me. Alright, so here we have the 10 pocket cargos. These are made from heavy Japanese denim, and they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, hence the name 10 pocket cargos. These are actually kind of like a size too big for me, so you can see they come down and sit on my shoe kind of crazy. But if I had a 30-30, these would probably fit me as my regular size. But these are definitely gonna be more for the OPM audience. They fit really, really nice though. And the pockets are all functional on these. But yeah, I am so proud of myself for these denim. Open and close. I added these straps. There's really no functionality for these, but I just thought it made this space between this pocket and this pocket look less awkward. And I think it's just cool. They look cool in my opinion. I don't know, you guys let me know in the comments if you guys like the straps on these. And then the other pockets are just fold pockets, but since it's heavy denim, these kind of like close really easily over these pockets. And like I said, all these are functional. These are really sick. They're definitely a lighter blend of a pant. I also think for these that I need to make the flare a little less excess. I think it's just too much. But also, like I said, this is a size bigger for me. So on somebody who's taller, it's gonna look a lot better. But these feature just 2 deep pockets that go all the way down to here. And then they feature these pockets on the side with metal buttons and clasps that open and close. Just like this one on this side. And then they also feature back pockets. Overall, I love the feel of these. It's kind of like a twill mix, and these just feel amazing. These literally feel like a vintage pair of military pants. I might add distressing on these, don't know yet, but comment down below and let me know which sample is your favorite.
Oh my god.
Nah, he really afraid of the spider though.
Yeah, that's it.
No, it wasn't like terrible, but was I shaking?
No, it actually looked,
because I was
from
shaking.
the side it looked fine. Wait, I think it actually looked good though,
Yeah,
actually.
it looks
that
fine.
last one I think was really fire.
Alright, so what'd you get? You got...
So we got, look at, we got the bevs, right? This is for the tequila drinkers, you know, you got your Sprite.
the Jack?
This is for the dark, you feel what I'm saying?
Oh, the Henny.
The Hennessy.
And then you got the vodka?
And then this, that's Sam right here. I don't know why he got that, but he was very stern on getting that. Then we got, look at, cheesy Cheetos for the bitches. Then we got some Cool Ranch. You know, sometimes your flavors need some more flavoring.
The extra hot.
These are for the real men, these are for the pussies.
Ain't nobody gonna be eating these except me and you probably, because nobody eats spicy shit. So it's...
Oh boy, but my mouth is wide.
And then you got the Truly, the party
Yeah,
pack.
the Truly party pack, the sugar cookies. We got the mini cupcakes. And then we got Landon Cube's cake right here.
And he's turning 69.
Yeah, he just turned 69.
Yeah, perfect.
Big 6'9".
Big six.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Landon. Happy birthday to you.
Go to the cake.
Blow them out, 69.
Make your wish.
Alright, let's go. You want to do it over the sink, out back, where you want to do it? Okay.
I'm soaking wet, bro.
I'll say you play dirt ball.
Hey. Who's gonna win? This ain't no challenge.
Bro, it is.
Come on, let's
That's what
go.
white people do. They challenge each
All right,
other in
bro.
shotguns.
All right.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
I'm at the college.
All right, let's go. Lil bro ain't beat me.
Hey, who wrote the hood?
Hey, brother.
White people challenge each other in shotguns, right? That's what I'm saying.
Bro, Daddy needs to fucking stand.
Is Mexican people go like shot for shot and Jose Cuervo Casamigos,
Yeah.
but white people just shotgun.
That's
like a
crazy.
I'm not gonna lie, Suey was the one who got put
Like that shit is not even like chill, like at all. That shit is. I'm soaking wet.
If I was asleep, this would wake me right
Oh, I get though. So you're gonna need Photoshop, Procreate, something along those lines that just help you design clothes. Once you have Photoshop or whatever your project opened, the first step is always getting mock-ups. So mock-ups are basically digitalized images of clothes that you can use to put your design on top of that layer through Photoshop. So for an example, I'll throw some mock-ups up around me, and those are basically how you send a representation to the manufacturer that you want to make your clothes. Buy mock-up packs online, or you can just find a hoodie. I have a manufacturer that I use in LA, so I don't really have to be that descriptive about what I'm trying to make. He understands because obviously it's not overseas, so he speaks English. He's done a lot of work for me. This is the same manufacturer I've had for 4 years now, so he gets how I design, how I send my clothes in, and that's all with just building a relationship with your manufacturer. Okay, so I found a pink zip up online that I turned into a hoodie. And I know that sounds really confusing, but it's actually very straightforward and easy, and I'm gonna explain to you guys how I did this right now. I'll even turn it to a hoodie on this just so you guys could see. This is from a really cool brand called iHit, and as you guys can see, it's a full-on zip up, but I'm gonna show you guys how I change this. So you come right here, spot healing tool. And so basically this gets rid of any blemishes or anything in the image. So if I make this tool larger, I can actually get rid of all this and make the hoodie pink, and we're gonna do that for the zipper as well, and get rid of the zipper. And as you can see, it is kind of botched, but like I said, my manu's in LA. He already understands the deal and he knows everything we're doing. And I turned that into a hoodie just like that with the spot healing tool. The mock-up ready. Like I said, you could buy mock-up packs and change the colors of them. There's a lot of different ways you can do this. It's all personal preference. I personally like finding an image of a hoodie color that I like. And then now you'll open your design. So my designs right here, here's the KRY logo that I actually hand sketched this. So we're gonna drag this into another layer, and as you can see, it's big. We're gonna shrink it down, and it's really that simple. And obviously I could get more in depth about it and say I add a rhinestone pattern around the KRY to send to my menu. And if you're dealing with people overseas, you're especially gonna wanna use the correct garment color and Pantone for it. I'll show some images of Pantones on the screen right now so you guys know what I mean. But find a Pantone that perfectly fits the garment color you're trying to make, or even the print color, just so there's no confusion. But that's really that simple on how I made these hoodies. And sampling times can vary from a week to 2 weeks to a month, depending on where you get it sampled. I hope I was in depth enough. Obviously, if I'm not, you guys can join my Discord. I'll have that in the link of my bio. If any of you guys have questions on manufacturers or how to get stuff made or anything like that, I always try to help you guys. I love you guys so much, and all the supporters. Even if you don't buy anything from me, just liking a video or sharing a video to one of your friends means the world to me. So I appreciate you guys. Free game over here. I don't charge for any of this shit, obviously.